Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Hub. So today I am going to show you another program of if else. So what's the question? Let's study it or read it out. Write a program to input a total cost and compute and display the total amount after the discount on the cost of purchase item based on the following. Okay, so this is the question. As you can see, that is, we have to provide the cost, and according to that particular cost discount has been given in percentage, and we have to calculate the total cost. Okay, that is to be paid by the customer after availing the discount. Okay, let's start the code. Okay, something problem. Let me fix this one. This discount came over here. Let me fix it. Okay, fine, we can start. Okay, so input, since it is an we have to enter the cost, so we require scanner, right? Input java dot total dot asterisk. Let's say make the name the class. So class we can give this question. Okay, anything you can give. I have made this one. Okay, public static void name string args. Okay, what we require is that we require the cost to be inputted, as well as we have to calculate the amount, as well as we have to calculate the discount. So we require three variables. So let's take three variables. Double, I'm taking cost, amount, first of all it is 0, and discount is also 0. Fine, let's use scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. So this scanner is basically used for user input. Okay, for user input only we are using scanner. System dot out dot println, let's prompt the cost, so enter the cost. This will be entered by the user. Okay, since it is an user input, so it will be entered by the user. C is equal to ac dot next double, so make sure that in int we use next int, so for double we use next double. Okay, so we have to start if, because we have to fulfill these conditions which are given. So if first condition, what's it? If the cost is less or equal to 10,000, we have to avail 10% discount. Okay, so if cost is less than equal to 10,000, we have to avail the discount. So discount will be what? 5/10 into cost. This way we calculate. Okay, so it will be basically the return type of this particular division should come what? In double. So we are using double for this. So we are using this type conversion over here. So what is type conversion? So we are basically converting this particular thing into double, the division which we will be getting. Okay, if completed, for this first criteria is completed. Else if, what is the next criteria? If more than 10,000, if the cost is more than 10,000 and it is less than or equal to 20,000, we have to avail 10% discount for it. So let's start. If the cost is greater than it is only greater than 10,000 and the cost is less than equal to what? 20,000, you have to avail the discount of 10%. So he will be getting the discount. So we will, first of all, we will do the type conversion. He will be getting a discount of 10% on what? On the cost. Okay, he will getting the discount on the cost. Else if then the what is the next criteria? If the cost is more than 20,000 and if it is more than 20,000 and what it is saying, and it is less than equal to 35,000, he will getting 50% 15% discount. So cost is less than equal to 35,000. So he will get a discount of 15% on this particular thing. Okay, so 50% upon this cost. Okay, so he will getting 50% on this cost. Again, else if the cost is greater than 35,000, he will get simply 20% on this shopping or any purchased. So if he do the shopping, he will get this amount of percentage. Okay, completed, all the criteria is fulfilled. Now you have to print the amount that will be paid by the customer for the purchased item. So amount paid, that we have to calculate. So that we can calculate, which should be stored in A. But how to calculate the amount? So amount will be what? Cost minus discount, which he is getting. This is the formula. Cost minus discount, which he will be getting. Okay, let's print this one. Let's run the program. No syntax error, so it run at a first attempt. So let me go to my, okay, here is my file. Let me execute this. Okay, so let's, okay, enter the cost. So it is asking to enter the cost. Let's say I'm entering 23,000. So this is the amount which I have to pay for it. Okay, this is the amount which I have to pay for it. Now if I calculate the discount on particular item, how we can do? So we can do it. I want to show the discount also. I want to show to the user the discount also. So how can I do? Okay, I can do in this manner, that is discount equal to D. So this is the way we can calculate the discount. So discount, okay, so let's run the program. Okay, we can run the program. Okay, so let's say we are inputting the same input. So this is the discount which he will be getting. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and please do subscribe my channel. So thank you.